Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out, windowcleaningwarriors.com. Looking at IPC gas cart today. So this gas cart is going to be same as electric cart and what I'm demoing today. And what I'm demoing is the pump. So when these come with these quick release right here. It comes with the quick release feature for your pump. So you could so like loading, unloading, you could dislocate this gas or the electric pump to it and having these quick connects. So here's a quick connect if it's on closed. Here's it once it's opened. It's just the quick connect inside there. What happens, those leak very easily. So I was tired of how those leaked all the time. So to remedy this, I just took the quick connects out and replaced them with just one standard threaded post. It was, serious, 10-minute fix. Eliminates from leaking, keeps my water, if you're losing water here, that's filtered water that you're losing here. So you don't want to lose any of your filtered water. So just saving that avoids, the drips and the leaks either on your work surface, wherever you have this cart, or we operate ours a lot from our enclosed trailer. So it eliminates the dripping on the floor of that enclosed trailer. So it just cleans it up, makes it a dry unit, and it was a quick fix. So the tools I used, Phillips screwdriver just to take the pump off, or the pump off the motor. We used your standard Teflon tape, 2 different wrenches, big enough to get around all the fittings, but it was a quick fix. How to replace those quick connects with a non-quick connect and just keep a drier system. It's out here, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out, windowcleaningwarriors.com.